Never seen this in the field. Let's listen to it.
Looks like a new cab.
Neat lobby. Ooh, that lights up. Oh, cool. That is epic. That first Dover white button of the old type.
Didn't even feel like it was moving going down.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.